Okay, here's the road we turn on. Little house there. The main road is right behind me. Goes that way. I just turned off on it. Example. There's the main road. So I came back this way, and the property starts right there, close to the main road.
Route calculation.
Okay.
Prepare to turn right in more than 1.5 miles.
Okay. There's a mobile home back there, but the property starts in front of that mobile home. Big slab of land. It goes all the way down there. And that was basically cleared pasture land. Still going. Still going. Basically cleared pasture land. On the other side, got some nice houses, beautiful ground. Again, of course, here is so this would mark right around the 3 acres, just to get an idea. This is pasture land, beautiful patch. And of course, directly across the street, nice houses. There's the ground. The property's still going, still going, still going. Stops here. So that would be 6 acres. And there is 1 acre behind this tree line, which does connect to that, and that's kind of interesting. And then there's a scattered 0.99 acre, which I really don't want. Come back around, thin strip that goes between that shed and that dozer, this thin strip, which doesn't concern me. All right, coming back from the other direction. At the end, there's a main road. We turn left. There's the first 3 plots begin right there. This square's not in it. Right from there, 1, 2, 3, 4 poles. All that to the right. Just real nice ground with several transformers. So as I drive through here,
Route calculation.
there's the ground. Nice cleared pasture type land.
In 700 feet, turn left.
And there it is, still to the right. So it ends, check it out, it ends at this pole, and right there's the main road. This pole, there's the main road. Look at that. Look at that location. Starts right there, right next to a little old church. Main road.
Take
Right
next
here.
left.
That's all she wrote.